of nutrients today. This recipe is incredibly simple, vibrant, colorful, nutritious, and absolutely delicious.
Salmon paired with assorted vegetables offers both protein and rich dietary fiber, making this recipe perfect for the whole family. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. The ingredients for this recipe are very flexible. You can basically add any vegetables you like. Today I've prepared bell peppers, potatoes, purple cabbage, carrots, and asparagus, and of course, salmon to complete the dish. Salmon can also be purchased easily on Shopee. Friends who are interested are welcome to scan the QR code in my video to buy it directly on Shopee. Today's recipe can also be prepared together with the Harvard vegetable soup I shared last time. Since both dishes include asparagus, leftovers from the soup can be used in this recipe. Peel the potatoes, slice them, and steam until tender. This is the source of low-calorie, low-fat, high-quality carbohydrates in this recipe. Potatoes can be cut into chunks or slices, either is fine, since they'll all be mashed into a puree in the end. Using a fork, you can easily mash them into a puree. Today, I'm going for a chunkier texture. If you prefer a smoother, finer consistency, you can check out the method I shared earlier using a sieve to press them into a silky puree. For seasoning today, I simply added some salt and black pepper sauce, keeping it easy and straightforward. Of course, you could also toss in a pat of butter for an even smoother and richer flavor. Feel free to sprinkle a bit of chili powder if you like. Skip it if you prefer. Just adjust it to your own taste. Peel the carrots and cut them into chunks. I love the flavor of roasted carrots. They turn out so sweet and delicious. Anyone else who feels the same, leave a comment and let's give carrots a virtual high five. Ha ha! Snap the asparagus spears by bending the bottom end. Older, tougher sections won't break easily. Keep testing along the stem until you find the point where it snaps cleanly. Arrange all the ingredients on the foil, then sprinkle with salt and black pepper. I like adding Cajun seasoning, but feel free to skip it if you prefer. Spread butter over the ingredients and salmon. This adds a rich buttery aroma and keeps the roasted vegetables moist. Simply wrap it up and it's ready to go into the oven. My oven has a specific fish roasting mode, so it takes about 20 minutes. Just remember to adjust the time according to your own oven. As soon as I unwrap the foil, the aroma of roasted salmon fills the air, and doesn't it look absolutely beautiful? Wrap salmon in foil to seal in moisture. Bake for about 20 minutes until fully cooked. Unwrap to release an aroma and reveal tender, juicy fish. For roasted salmon, sprinkle with salt and freshly ground black pepper to highlight its natural sweetness. Then generously add Cajun spice for a bold, aromatic kick. Finally, top with butter before baking. The melting butter coats every flake, creating a crispy exterior and tender, juicy interior. Just a few seasonings can make each bite burst with flavor. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and brain function. It also provides high-quality protein to aid muscle repair and metabolism. Packed with vitamin D and antioxidants, it helps boost immunity and nourish the skin, making it a delicious and nutrient-packed superfood. Cut the prepared bell peppers into strips and shred the purple cabbage. Then drizzle with orange sesame salad dressing. Crisp sweetness meets citrus aroma, creating a vibrant and colorful side dish in an instant. My favorite vegetable shredder is making another appearance. Friends interested in purchasing the same model can click the QR code in my video to buy it directly on Shopee. As mentioned before, this set comes with 3 pieces, a shredder, a washing and straining basket, and a bowl. Its sturdy design makes shredding vegetables easy, and the sharp edges are designed to prevent finger cuts. Ever since I got this shredder, I've been making dumplings way more often. Haha. It's just so convenient. Interested friends, go check it out. The orange sesame salad dressing I use will also be linked in the video description. Friends who are interested are welcome to click the QR code to purchase directly. This salad dressing is probably a favorite for many, right? It's tangy, rich, and packed with real sesame bits. Highly recommended. Kewpie Yuzu Sesame Dressing blends refreshing yuzu fragrance with rich roasted sesame, offering complex flavor layers, made with vegetable oil, sesame, and yuzu juice. It contains about 60 to 70 calories per 15 milliliters serving, perfect for enhancing salads in moderation. Just keep an eye on portion size for balanced nutrition. Salmon is particularly beneficial for women. Its rich omega-3 helps regulate hormones and ease menstrual discomfort, while high-quality protein and vitamin D support bone density and muscle health. Antioxidants further slow skin aging and enhance radiance, making it a natural nourishing choice for both inner balance and outer beauty. For men, salmon helps maintain cardiovascular health, supports muscle synthesis, and boosts energy and vitality. For the elderly, it enhances bone density, supports cognitive function, and reduces inflammation. Its nutrient profile makes it a natural health guardian across all ages. Salmon is an excellent choice during weight loss. High in protein and low on the glycemic index, it provides lasting fullness and boosts metabolism. Its rich omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation and optimize fat-burning efficiency. For best results, opt for cooking methods like steaming or baking with minimal oil, and keep portions around 100 to 150 grams per serving. Mashed potatoes provide easily digestible carbohydrates, offering quick energy and strong satiety. Cooking with the skins on adds dietary fiber, which supports gut health. When prepared with milk or olive oil, they also supply calcium and unsaturated fats for a more balanced nutrition profile. Bell peppers are low in calories and high in fiber, enhancing satiety and aiding digestion. Their vitamin C content surpasses that of citrus fruits. Just 1 red pepper can meet an adult's daily need, boosting immunity and skin health. Additionally, the varied colors provide antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein, which help protect vision and slow aging, making them a delicious and nutritious colorful nutrient bank. Asparagus is rich in folate and vitamin K, supporting cardiovascular health and bone strength, while its natural diuretic properties aid detoxification and reduce bloating. Low in calories and high in fiber, it also promotes digestion, making it a star ingredient for light and healthy eating. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body, acting as a natural shield for vision and skin health. Their high fiber and antioxidant content also help regulate blood sugar and promote digestion. Light roasting or steaming enhances nutrient absorption, doubling both sweetness and nutritional benefits. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe, definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. Momo sincerely thanks everyone for your comments and support. You're also welcome to share your thoughts on each recipe or talk about how you make these dishes at home. Let's learn simple and delicious home-style recipes together. Cooking at home truly brings so much joy, doesn't it? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.